Tyler Minecraft here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you. I'm not showing you. Well, I am, but I'm telling you something too. I was sick and I couldn't make a lot of videos, so now I can, and I'm gonna be making this video here. So let's get straight into this. So if you don't have this update, then you cannot do it. So all you're gonna need is obsidian. Yeah, the latest Minecraft update. That's what you're gonna need. You need obsidian and an ender crystal. Wait, what? An end crystal. So, and then what you do is you want to put 4 blocks down, and make sure there's 3 like that, and then 4 by 3, and then you just build a square like this, and then put that obsidian, and then yeah, so just build it. So build it to where the end crystal does not touch the roof, like about this height. And then yes, so here it is. And then you take a block of obsidian, place your end crystal, mine that so it floats, and then it spawns a nether portal. It's pretty cool. That's like a new way you can spawn it. What the frick? And now it's flickering. So, and then once you mine it, of course that happens, and then it kills a pig. And then yeah, so yeah, so when you mine the end crystal, it explodes. And how did you get in there? Well, oh, he's pooping. He's farting. What the? There's no longer wait. How did that just blow the roof and the fence? My end crystal go. That's crazy. Come on, why did I press A? Come on. Okay, good. There. So now I'm gonna put this cape on. And then woohoo! I'm flying. Whoa, what? Why is there water? Ah, I landed. Okay. Well, that's a cool animation. So, in the latest Minecraft update, they added flying. It already has in computers. Oh my gosh, I gotta change it back. Okay. This is... Wait, I want to try something. Okay. What the? There we go. Oh man. Okay. There we go. Mine. So there it is, a floating cube in the sky, which looks weird. Oh, should we? Oh, I got a good idea. Let's make it explode. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Should be dead. You. Oh! You going after me? Die, 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 die. They don't go after me, but when you kill them, the babies go after you. It's annoying. Oh, I guess I don't. I guess when you hit them. Yeah. What? Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and see you in the next one. Goodbye.